Hey folks, so just a quick video here. We're having one hell of a storm right now. Yeah, that's my car. And you can see just how high the water is. Like, that's touching the front bumper. And actually it looks like it might be slowing up now. It was actually kind of windy out, if you look over there. Yeah, it actually does look like the water's starting to calm down a bit now. Look how far out into the road it's going. And actually, I don't know how well you can see it, but yeah, that's like in front of my neighbor's driveway. So, yeah, that's a thing. Power actually went out for a moment earlier. But yeah. Anyway, staring at all this water made me have to go to the bathroom. So if y'all happen to live in Newport News, stay safe out there.